I made a hat. It's not locked. I still have a thing to weave in. Put the tag on, and I'm thinking I'm going to make a little pom-pom from the leftovers. Give me a sec. For a pom-pom I'm using the blue one, if you know what that is. If you've never used a pom-pom maker, it's quite easy. You just hold two pieces together, take a strand. Okay, I have it that much. Join them together and close. It is quite a thick yarn, so I'm going to use a standard needle and a thread to move it a few times just to keep those thick strands tacked, just in case someone wanted to pull one. For that part, I like to take one off, and that way and I trimmed it. First tag. And here it is how I sew my tags. You can find them in my shop, linked down below. Okay, now I'm set. Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit. And today I have a finished object for you, and it is, shockingly, a hat. I love it so much. It is a chunky hat. It is paid for pattern, so check the links down below. I got it during the sale, so if you're watching it, I'm not sure if the sale is still going on, but it's so nice and so lovely. And if you have a chunky needles, you can go grab them and knit this in like a day, 2 days, maximum 3 days. Okay, you have noticed that I was making a pom-pom. I'm going to attach it just to, you know, so you can see how it is. I'm going to attach it properly. But just temporary, I want to wash this hat and block it and have it nice because it is a gift knit. More about that if you're a first-time viewer. Anyway, so I'm going to put that on and I'm going to show you how it looks without and with the pom-pom, because I think for a gift knit it needs pom-pom. I'm a tall woman, 5'10", so 177 centimeters, and kind of for my own mentality, I understand I can wear pom-poms, but I just prefer not to somehow. Hooks. Bigger one. Okay. One more thing what I am doing over here. We have 2 strands, as you can see. One when I finished a hat and another one from a pom-pom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to do a bow So just like this, without that first part, because it would be very hard to get it outside. I think I'm going to leave it that for whoever is going to own it, because it would be nice. This is 100% wool, so it's going to stick this way. Now let me know, do you like it with or without a pom-pom? So let's leave it on. Okay, so let's start. Who the designer is, it's Marsha Ibuki. She's a Canadian designer. She designs lovely things. I'm going to leave links down below to all her designs. So if you're looking for this one, just click there and you will browse through everything. You find this one too. Okay, that'll be easier and better for the future, I would say, in case you watch it like in 5 years' time. Okay. This is a chunky hat, so you need a chunky wool. And the one I found out in my stash was this one. I got it ages ago, and this is Drops Eskimo. Excellent for felting, actually, it says over here. Which means you need to be very careful when you wash it. Whoever is going to get that, please watch this video and make sure that you follow instructions. Just put it nicely flat into the warm water, not too hot, warm water. Bit of a shampoo if you don't have anything else, just a bit, smidge, not too much. Leave it for 20 minutes. If you have any makeups and stuff, I'm not sure, but probably more female, especially with a heart. Yes, just to nicely brow, you know, touch it, and then leave it for 10-20 minutes. Take it out, dry it flat, enjoy it again. So right, this is the one I use. It's not really it's not really right in regards to the gauge that you need for the hat. I don't have a clue what the gauge was. You know, when the hat is quick and nice, and I'm using an app, a free app, Knitting Companion, if you're asking me. Okay, so I'm going to post a photo on the screen now with the lovely designer herself. I'm wearing her own hat, and you could see that the yarn over here that was used in the sample is for 115 grams, which is 140 yards. What I have 50 grams balls, so I used 2, that's left over, and 1 ball. Well, let's sum up, okay? So in 100 grams I have 100 meters, which is 108 yards. The pattern recommends 140, so I have thicker yarn than Marsha's by 32. Right, the color on the screen now, you can see also the color is a beautiful purple. 04, as I said, Drops Eskimo, and we have 100% wool over here. In my stash I also have, I think, turquoise color, so we shall see what I'm going to make with that. Just to show you how it looks in a ball, so here they are. It's more like a turquoise color, this one. We shall see, am I going to knit something similar or go completely different. I love chunky hats. I knitted lately 4. Well, this probably takes a little bit longer because you have a pattern, but literally the pattern, you memorize it and you fly through it. Basically after this section I knew what's going on over there. So it's really nice, really relaxing, really quick, and as you could see, it's such a cute hat. Okay, what needles I used. The pattern recommends to use 5.5 millimeters, which is, and 6.5 millimeters, which is US size 10.5. What I used, these two, obviously I used, you know, I was knitting these and I had to take it, but I used highest sharps, and I would say it was very good in regards to the pattern to do something over there, and I really like that it is over sharp. I use 5.5 millimeters, which is US size 9, and 6 millimeters, which is US size 10, because that's what I had. And with hats, don't worry if you don't have exact the thing, power through it. And especially with a chunky hat, if you make a chunky hat, it will not take you so long. Even if you don't like it, it's not so, and it's not end of the world to frog it and knit it again. You know, if you're not like me. If it's too big, gift knitting. Too small, gift knitting. There's always a head in the world over there that your hat is going to fit. You just need to find it. Okay, so that's that. I would love to show you. Give me a sec, because I should show you my pouch, because I love my pouches and I use them all the time. So this is my pouch, and this, as you could see, I call it a Christmas pouch, and I use it all year round because I make gift knitting and I call this as a gift knit. So if you see this pouch on my Instagram, you know it's not for me. Just to put it out there. Right, I will have an update in the near future, hopefully. So I know I'm out of stock of this, I know you're asking about it. I will make just, okay, I will have just a few, so follow me on Instagram. Just in case you're thinking of getting hayas, yes, I have these sizes in my shop. Go for it, I'll put a link down below. Also, what you need 16 inches cable, which is a large. We're talking about connectors, because to fit the screw in, okay? And yeah, go for it. It's really fun and it's so quick, and if you don't have time, you have literally like 3 days and you just walk off and you need a gift. Just grab it. If you don't have a chunky yarn, do not worry. You may have some DK that you fold. You can use 2 strands or 3 strands to create that thickness, and if you even mix 3 different colors together, you may get a really nice color effect. I think that's all. All links down below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Let me know for who I should give this hat to. Anyway, that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to use #KnittingILove. Show me what you're knitting. Don't forget to join us if you have never knitted anything, or you're an advanced knitter and you want to quickly knit this hat. Go check ravelry.com. There is a group tab and find Knitting I Love. In the thread you may find 2 KALs. One is a knitting crocheting make along. You can knit, crochet anything and enter your finished object over there, or you can go and precisely go to Knit a Hat KAL that I have over there annually, and we're almost hitting 1,000. So once we grab 1,000 finished objects, I'm going to randomly draw a winner, and we'll follow with that because I'm a hat lover and I love seeing your hats and giving me ideas what to knit next. So I think that's all. Find me on Instagram, all links down below. I hope to see you next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! Oh, and more stuff that I've knitted, go on my playlists and check hats, shawls, toys, sweaters, and more.